Hi everyone, Preppin' Mama here. In honor of my birthday this week, I'm giving you an extra bonus video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like if you do, and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks.
Hi everyone, this is Preppin' Mama. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about all things preparedness, but I also talk about how I prepare with my family in consideration of special needs, dietary restrictions, and health issues. Which are no fun, but we try to make it fun. Today, I was going to talk about a skill that we all need to build, and I want to talk about cooking. Cooking is something that we need to know how to do in a bad situation, and we need to know how to be creative with what we have and what we've been able to put back. And the way we do this is, well, I'm going to give you my top 7 tips to becoming a better cook. So are you ready? All right, number 1. My top number 1 tip to becoming a better cook is to read cookbooks like they are novels. Reading cookbooks and studying cookbooks will expand your knowledge of what goes together and what doesn't. It has paid off in spades for me. It is the number 1 piece of advice someone gave me before I got married and got into my own household, and it has been the most valuable piece of advice in this area I ever received. Thanks, Dee. Number 2, find a cooking mentor. Find someone or someone that you already know that seems to do well in the kitchen or enjoys cooking and food prep, and ask them if they can help you. I'll bet you they say yes. Number 3, attend a cooking class. You can find them through your community college. You can find them through your community calendar. You can find them through your local hospital sometimes, and also Seventh-day Adventist churches tend to have Dorcas ministries where they offer vegetarian cooking courses, which can be very helpful even if you're not a vegetarian, to help expand your cooking skills. Number 4, purchase the best quality 2 knives that you can afford. These are the 2 knives that you must have in your kitchen. Purchase the best quality you can afford. Purchase knives that you can sharpen. You need a chef's knife and you need a paring knife. With those 2 knives, you can do a lot of things, almost everything. There are other things that are valuable, but those are the 2 most important things for you to spend your money on. Sometimes you can actually find them at estate sales, so keep your eye out if you can't afford new, and learn about knives and how they're constructed so you know when you find a good deal. Number 5, think outside the box, literally. And what I mean by that is, don't buy prepackaged items. Buy Whole Foods ingredients and stretch yourself to learn how to prepare them and put together a meal that tastes good. It's the best practice there is. Number 6, keep it simple and keep it fresh when you start out. It's the best way to start, and then if you start simple, you can continue to build your skills and flavor profiles from there. Shop the outside of the store. You've heard it before. Shop the outside of the store to concentrate on fresh Whole Foods ingredients, and go home and figure out how to cook them and prepare them. Don't rely on packaged food. This will stretch you, and you will build your skills from here. And 7, it's obvious. Practice, practice, practice. We all have failed dishes. We all have mess ups in the kitchen. We all have things we have to feed to the dog. But the important thing is you keep trying. Don't let it get you down. Keep on cooking and you'll get there. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It's been great, and I'll talk to you soon.